in Amundson's class?
Good afternoon, Mr. Ponder.
Ari as well. 4.2, can you compare decimals using number lines and inequalities?
Yes.
You can? Decimals live where? I don't see the enthusiasm that I need, so we'll ask again, where do decimals live? I gave you equivalent decimals, or decimals that represent the same value. If I give you this number, 0.1, and I give you this number, 0.10, and I give you this number, 0.100, are they all the same?
Yes.
And my proof would be these black zeros that I have right here that I added in. Yes, no?
Yes.
Make sense? Yes. Do all those numbers now look the same?
Yes.
Yeah. Equivalent decimals. Inequalities, you know what they are. Number lines, you know it's an important tool. Here we go. This number and this number are equal, yes?
Yes.
However, this looks like 10 hundredths and this looks like 1/10, right?
Yes.
If I stack these, in other words, put them on top of one another, what do I have to make sure I line up? And then if I have my 0.10 here and I have my 0.1 there, I can prove they're equal by adding this extra 0. True or false?
True.
Do they look like they're the same?
Yes.
Yeah, I should be up on the screen. Stacking rules. Here we go. First thing we do for the stacking method is we do what? I'll say that again. What's the first thing we do?
Stack your numbers.
After we stack our numbers, what do we need to make sure we do?
Line up your decimals with place value.
And then after we have our decimals and place values all lined up and stacked, we do what for letter C? And then we do what at the end? Okay, so this number and this number, are they stacked?
Yes.
They stacked down below here?
Yes.
What do we know about the zeros? They're the what?
Same.
Decimals lined up?
Yes.
What's bigger, 2 or 0?
2.
Am I done?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm done. I now know that the 210 thousandths is bigger, right?
Yes.
Yes. Hey, Mr. Matt. Can they finish the video and then go with you? Be out in like 2 minutes. Okay, let's finish the video and then you guys can go. Jaden. 6 and 610 thousandths, 6 and 611 thousandths. Again, what are we doing here? What's this called?
Stacking.
I need you guys back in the video here. What's this called?
Stacking.
Stacking, and then we're drawing our lines to compare the values, yes?
Yes.
Why do I have 2 blue zeros added here? What did I do here? Jair?
You added zeros because they weren't the same. They didn't have the same amount of digits.
So I evened out the decimals, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Number lines. We all know decimals live between what 2 numbers again?
0, 1.
0 and 1. This number line right here. We were plotting 15 hundredths, 35 hundredths, 95 hundredths, yes?
Yes.
Why did, who was that? Who came up here and added these zeros in? Ruby, she added these zeros in because our number line only was numbered by tenths, yes?
Yes.
But yet we were graphing numbers that went out to the hundreds place, yes?
Yes.
But is it legal to add a 0 after any decimal?
Yes.
Is it going to change the value of that decimal?
No.
Is it going to make it easier to see where 15 hundredths goes if we have 10 hundredths and 20 hundredths?
Yes.
Yeah, if you have 1/10 and 2/10, it makes it a little bit harder, yeah?
Yes.
Beautiful. Last thing. These numbers, the easiest way to compare them is to do what?
Stack.
Say that again?
Stack.
Stack. Is it okay to write yourself notes if you're trying to order them from small to big?
Yes.
Is that actually a smart thing to do?
Yes.
We cool?